So now we will see input type color in HTML form. So guys, basically the input tag along with the type attribute color is used to display the color picker from where you can pick the colors. Now guys, depending on the browser support, a color picker can show up in the input field over here. So it depends on your browser, the user's browser that is being used in order to display your web page. So guys, whenever you are going to use the input tag along with the type value as color, you need to test on the different browsers in order to check whether that particular browser supports the color picker or not. So guys, let us check this with the help of examples in VS Code. So previously we had written these lines of code over here, which we will remove for now. And then what we will do is simply we are going to have the color picker. So basically we are going to have the label as well, and then after the label we will have the input and then colon, and then we have the color in order to have the type value as color over here. Now guys, what we will do is depending on the user's selection of the color, we will change the background color of the entire page. So we will have the name value as BG color over here, so that it defines that we are going to change the background color by using this color picker. And then similarly we will have the ID as the BG color over here, and then we are going to copy this ID for this for attribute of the label tag. So we are simply going to copy this ID, that is BG color over here, and then we will say select your background color and then followed by a colon. Now this input tag will help us in order to show the color picker on the browser. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser over here. So as you can see, below content is in HTML form, and you can see select your background color, and by default black color is being displayed over here. And when you click on this color picker, as you can see, you can change the color over here. So you can also see that we can change the color to blue, green or yellow colors as well, and similarly based on your requirements you can set the color. Now guys, by default the color that is being displayed over here is black. So when we reload this page, you can see that the color is black over here. So what we can do is we can have the value attribute as well inside the input tag. So we can simply provide the value, and let's say we want the default color to be red over here. So what we can do is simply we can provide the hex value of red color, which is hash character followed by 2 times F and then 4 times 0. So guys, basically this is the first component, that is the red component in the hex color, and then followed by the green component which is 0, and then followed by 2 digits, that is blue component, which is again 0 over here. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, now we have the red color by default, and when we click on this red color, you can see that we can select any of the color that we want, and then we can also drag this color picker over here, and then accordingly the red, green and blue components over here will be updated based on the selection of the colors in this case. Now guys, what we are going to do is once we select the color over here, we are going to set the color as the background color of this entire page. So we need to add some JavaScript code over here. So we will come to this head section, and then we will define the script tag in this case, and then guys we are going to define a function. So we are going to type function keyword followed by the name of the function. So guys, if you are not aware about the JavaScript, don't worry, we are going to write a very simple JavaScript function over here that will help us in order to just change the background color of the web page. So this is the keyword, that is function, that we use in order to define the function followed by the name of the function, and then we have the open and close parenthesis. We are going to learn a lot about the JavaScript in the JavaScript tutorial videos that is going to be followed after the HTML tutorial. So guys, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, that is Programming for Beginners, so that you get the notifications on the upcoming videos as well. Now guys, inside the curly braces, what we have to do is we need to get the value of the color that we have set by using the input tag over here. So simply we are going to define the variable by using the var keyword followed by the name of the variable, that is color, and the way that we get the value is by using the document keyword followed by dot, and then we have something called as get element by ID over here, and then inside the parenthesis we provide the ID, that is BG color in this case. So guys, we provide the ID over here followed by dot, and then we have something called as value. So guys, basically this particular line of code will help us in order to extract the color that we have set over here. By default the color will be red, but whatever color we set on the browser, it will be extracted by using this line of code, and that color will be saved in this variable. Now guys, we just have to provide this variable to the background color property of this web page over here. So what we can do is, again we can define the document keyword followed by dot, and then this time we are going to use the body tag over here, and then followed by dot. Inside the body tag we have something called as style, because the background color property is present inside the style property. So we are going to use the style property followed by dot, and then we have the background color over here. So as you can see, once we are typing, VS Code is suggesting us various attributes that can be used. So over here we are going to use this background color in this case, and then equal to, we are going to provide this variable name, that is color over here, followed by semicolon. So guys, we have defined a function inside the JavaScript that will help us in order to set the background color of the body of the web page by getting the value from this input tag over here that we have defined as the color picker. Now guys, what we have to do is simply we need to call this function. So basically, once you are selecting the color using this color picker, we are going to have a button over here. So simply we are going to have the line breaks in this case, and then we will define the simple button over here. So we say input colon button, and this time we will say click me as the value of this button. And what we have to do is, when the user clicks on this button, we need to call this test function over here. So we can have the on click attribute in this case. So we will say on click attribute over here, and simply we are going to provide the name of the function, that is test, followed by open and close parenthesis. So guys, once we click on this particular button that is having the value as click me, the JavaScript function that we have written with the name that is test will be called, and the color will be extracted from the color picker that we have set, and then the background color will be set using that particular color that we have set. Now guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have the select your background color, and red color is being displayed over here. So when we click on this, and let's say I want to change the color to yellow, so I drag it over here, and then let's say I want this particular shade of color, and then what we have to do is simply we can click somewhere else, since the color is already set over here in the color picker. And in order to set the background color of this web page, simply we need to click on this button, that is click me over here. So when I click on this, as you can see, the background color of this web page is updated. Again, if we want to update the background color to, let's say, green color in this case, we will set it to light green, and then when we click on this click me, as you can see, it is set to light green color now, that is the background color of this web page. So guys, in this way we can easily use the color picker to select one of the colors from the color picker over here. So let me just reload this page once again. So in order to set the background color as red, simply we can click on this button, that is click me. So this particular red color is already set over here. In order to set the color as blue in this case, so we will change it to light blue over here, and then when we click on this button, as you can see, the color of the background is updated now. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is input type date in HTML form. So stay tuned.